Welcome to Insurance Simplified. Today, we're diving into equipment breakdown coverage, a critical part of protecting your business. So, what is it? Equipment breakdown coverage, also known as boiler and machinery insurance, protects your business from financial losses when vital equipment suddenly breaks down. This isn't your typical wear and tear damage. It covers unexpected mechanical or electrical failures that could disrupt your operations. Here's an example. Imagine your restaurant's refrigeration system suddenly stops working due to a power surge. Without refrigeration, your food inventory spoils, leading to significant financial loss. Equipment breakdown coverage helps cover the cost of repairs, replacement, and even the lost inventory. What does it cover? Mechanical failures in equipment like HVAC systems, boilers, or manufacturing machinery. Electrical surges that damage computers, appliances, or other electronic devices. Replacement costs for critical equipment that can't be repaired. Additional expenses to minimize downtime and keep your business running. Why is it essential? In today's world, businesses rely heavily on specialized equipment. A single unexpected breakdown could mean thousands in repair costs or lost revenue. Equipment breakdown coverage ensures you're not left footing the bill when the unexpected happens. How do you get it? This coverage is typically an add-on to your commercial property insurance policy. Work with your insurance agent to assess your equipment needs and ensure you have the right level of protection. Protect your operations, minimize downtime, and keep your business moving forward with equipment breakdown coverage. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe for more videos that simplify commercial insurance and help you safeguard your business.